More than 200 million Indians rely on migration as a source of sustaining their livelihoods. There is a huge gap that migrant households face when it comes to accessing government entitlements and financial services. Chalo Network is part of a larger initiative called India Migration Now that we started in 2018. The goal of India Migration Now is to mainstream migration. We provide financial services that are tailored to the lives of migrant households, and we focus both on internal and international migrants. This is done by creating a robust network of agents both at source and destination regions, and these agents are monitored by our supervisors on ground. They are trained using online and offline methods, and we monitor and evaluate their performance using our dashboards.
ऐसा दुकान हो सकता है जहां पे आपको तीनों सुविधा एक ही जगह मिल जाए, क्योंकि हम लोग यहां पे आए हैं एक अच्छा दुकानदार को चयनित करने के लिए।
चलो नेटवर्क के माध्यम से एजेंट लोगों को भी हम लोग जानकारी देते हैं कि आप लोग ग्राहकों से कैसे बात करेंगे, आपके दुकान पे क्या होना चाहिए, आपका कैसा व्यवहार होना चाहिए ग्राहकों के साथ में। इस सब चीज़ की जानकारी हम लोग एजेंटों को देते हैं।
We have trained over 100 agents who have enabled over 1 lakh transactions and reached more than 51,000 customers. With our work with the agents and the research work at India Migration Now, we realized that a major gap lies in the fact that there is absence of financial products that are suitable for migrant households. And to solve for that, we launched a platform called Pravasi Money. Our current model of Pravasi Money revolves around the employers of migrant workers. The employers can simply fill a form and sign up their employees, migrant workers, for all the financial services. The support that we get from the Pragati program of Meta will be utilized to expand financial services and Pravasi Money. As an organization, our mission is to ensure that migrant workers and migrant households live a life of dignity. Through a deep understanding of their ecosystem, challenges, and the entire migration ecosystem, we strive to ensure that migrants don't walk alone in this journey.